Welcome to the remix. D1 to the remix.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Azri bin Yusuf. I come from Taipei, Perak. You want to hear someone as a lecturer in your university, especially I'm the one who can make you pay attention. Do you know why? Let me introduce about myself first. Start the day of school, I was dreaming to become a lecturer. After finish school, I managed to enter University Malaysia Pahang, and I bring my diploma and degree in chemical engineering there. After I finish doing my degree, I continue my master also at University Malaysia Pahang. After I complete my master, I work as a lecturer of chemical engineering in University of Melbourne. I worked there for 3 years. Besides that, my main achievement is I won the best student of the year and they can list in the first semester until the finish studies. My strength is I have a high confidence level. I'm mature, I'm good looking, and I can solve a lot of problems in the chemical engineering. In addition, I am able to speak in English and Malay and a good communication skill. My objective is to apply my skills as a lecturer of chemical engineering. I hope you can hire me. Okay, you can contact me at this number or just email me to my email here. Okay? Thank you for watching my video. I hope we can meet again somewhere.
Esto solo empieza.